Welcome YouTube. Today we're making overnight oats. Crazy fun stuff. Microwave. It'll look, something like this, and in the end, something like that. Anyways, overnight oats, if you don't know about them, is a oat concoction. I swear I know about them. Rolled oats plus all your favorite goodies. I'll show you in a second what I'm putting in here. They're a great way to start the morning and generally very hassle-free. You make them, throw them in the refrigerator, wake up in the morning and they're ready to go. You can go pick up all of this stuff at the store, but I'll throw Amazon links in if you just wanna get a cart full of food shipped right to your house. You can do this without thinking. Overnight oats are great for really anyone that wants a good energy boost in the morning that will sustain you until lunch. I think that's normally my problem. I get hungry again at like 10:30. This keeps me full easily until lunch. Great for runners, hikers, and I would say the third category would be anyone else, literally anyone else. People that eat food. Overnight oats, they work. Okay, here's what you need, or here's what I used. Ready, set, go.
A bowl and some measuring cups. Rolled oats, chia seeds, protein powder, berries, golden raisins, walnuts, coconut flakes, peanut butter, honey, almond milk.
And of course, I forgot one thing, one very important thing. Your ball mason jars, or just your normal mason jar. But we won't need these until a little bit later. First, grab your bowl and your measuring cups. Next, take your oats, and just for clarification, I'm gonna make a week's worth of rolled oats right now. So I'm gonna take 7 cups, and let me take a quick second to say that this is the serving size I like. It's really this ratio, 1-to-1 for oats and liquid, and I'm using almond milk. So 1 cup oats, 1 cup almond milk. It's a lot of oats. I wish I wouldn't have said that last part, but I think I'll keep it in. What the heck? All right, here's the fun part. Here's where you get to mix in all the good fixins. And this part truly is up to your discretion. Just kind of go with what makes sense and add as much as you'd like. Obviously, you're not gonna add 7 cups of chia seeds, but you can get carried away with the berries. And I'll pause right here because I know this is gonna happen in the comments. People are gonna tell me everything that I should put in here. Bananas, apples, chocolate chips. You can find 10 different recipes with 10 different additional components to add. This is what I'm using because this is what I like. First up, coconut flakes, coconut. And then I got walnuts. These kind of need to be crushed. Next up, chia seeds, which, if you don't know, they're a superfood. Not a clue what that means. But I will say chia seeds will soak up a lot of that almond milk and expand, so don't add too many of these. All right, and then right here we have dried berries and golden raisins, a mix of dried cranberries, golden raisins, and cherries. Not totally necessary, but just for a little added extra protein, I'm gonna put in a scoop or 2 here. Probably won't even taste it. And then if we were just to go with this, I pretty much can guarantee it tastes a little bland. So your local honey, made in the Southeast, just give it a good drizzle. And good. And a little more. Now we're good. And then last, but most definitely not least, creamy peanut butter. We get ours at Costco because the ingredients are dry roasted organic peanuts and sea salt, no sugar. But I did warm it up in a bowl so it would drizzle on a little easier because we keep it in the fridge, so. Cool. All right, now I'm gonna mix this. All right, you can see I've made a terrible mess, but it's finished. And then obviously just the next step here is scooping 1 cup of this into each mason jar. And yeah, so I'll do that now. So what I'll do is every morning I'll wake up, and I don't think I mentioned this. No, I definitely did not mention this. I'm doing this because I have a race coming up. I'm training for a half marathon, and these are the best little energy boosters in the morning and a great way to kick off your day with something a little healthier, packed with your protein, and it's consistent. You don't have to think about it. Yeah. I ran a full marathon last year, 2 years ago. Made a video about it. It's up here somewhere. And this is what I would eat on all of my long runs in the morning. This is the best. But what I'll do is I'll take this in the morning, open it up, and then remember the ratio. 1 cup of oats and goodness, 1 cup of almond milk. And there you have it, guys and gals, overnight oats. But technically not finished yet, hence the name. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. It'll get nice and gooey and pasty, and hopefully food texture doesn't bother you because it's a little funky. But the taste is there and the sustenance is really there. And that is how I make my overnight oats in bulk form. Hope this was helpful, and if you want more stuff like this, you know, as I go through life, giving you how-tos and DIYs and things such as this, subscribe, like, thumbs up. We're here for it. We'll be making more. Until next time, see you later.